my landlady and I.
All right now. I'm coming. You see me now.
Hey, where are you going to? You want to go out without face mask? I'm sorry for you.
So what now? What, ma?
You've not heard that they used to catch young boys like you outside in those their checkpoints. Anyways, you are lucky. I'm selling original. It's not expensive. Very affordable.
How much?
It's just 1,000 naira. Where are you going? Okay, they will catch you and they will beat you. Only 1,000 naira.
Okay. This one over. Sir. Yes, sir.
Today, today.
Now, wow. But honestly, I hope when they are street with this.
I not join this work to come play.
They tell us say we dey here.
I know them now. It won't be a problem.
Hey, friend, Yahoo boy. Hold on.
Hey.
Hold on.
Come here. No, come.
Oh, you want to?
I'm not running. Sir, don't you know me? You know me now.
You know her?
Do you remember the guy that we were about to arrest the other day that ran away with that landlady?
Exactly.
Naimo!
Yes.
See ya! Nadia!
See, no, that one is not our problem. It's not our problem. Bygone is bygone. See, he's not even putting on face mask.
That's good. Young man, there's on nose mask.
Officers, nose mask. You people are not wearing any either.
You're funny, oh. You're so funny, oh.
Are you a comedian?
No, I'm not a comedian.
You make the police laugh.
It can happen to anybody.
That means you are funny.
Young man, you are finished. No, you dey quote law. As a matter of fact, you dey tell us say me and my colleague and are illiterate. You no go say me and you no go school. Young man, you officer of the law is talking and you are there.
No.
Yeah, they go.
I don't know.
Let's say I format here. Say there.
This is formatting and resetting. To what I can see, I am seeing something to match.
Ah, boy. I got my guy. If they drop anyhow.
Maybe I will ask these people to bring. So you went to get that nose mask I told you I'm selling, Abi? It's not your fault. You are such an hopeless boy. Rubbish. And come back and close my gate, oh. And as you are going in, make sure you pack your things and leave my house.